Let's see what's in this box from the e-bike. Okay, see that? Where do I open it? Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay, got the pedals. The pedals are in here. You got a toolkit. I didn't even know I have a toolbox in the house, and then so I got this reflector light. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a bicycle bell. Let's get that out the bag. A bicycle bell. This yeah. Okay. Hold on. That's nice. A bicycle bell, and then we got this thing. We got zip ties, extra zip ties for something. We got Your Life stickers and a manual. Let's open this up. And this is the metal seat thing. Okay, so open this up right now. Your Life warranty card. Okay, I got a factory warranty card. User e-bike Your Life E20 user manual. Let's read that. Okay, I think that goes in the tire. And tools to take the seat off. Yeah. I guess that's what all the manual pictures are left. Okay, it comes with the pedals, one charger, one user manual, 3 hex wrenches, and 15 millimeter external hex wrench. YouTube.com, Your Life bike. This is the e-bike. Right here, I unboxed. And let's get the X-Acto knife. Let's unbox this. Alright, make sure we're not cutting any strings here, any wires. Just only cutting these plastic zip ties off. This is the seat. That's what that came from. Let's cut that off. It's the bicycle seat. Or we could just brush it off. All right, leave that there. Go back over here. Take this stuff off. I paid $433.50 for this. I couldn't afford a motorcycle, so I bought an electric bike. Ooh, that's the back of the brake light. Okay. Let's try not to mess this up. I'll be careful here not to cut the wires and only cut the zip ties. Move the wires out the way. All right, we got that. Got that out the way, that out the way. Take that off. Break this zip tie. That's off the. We got a lot of zip ties. I don't know how I'm gonna take these thick zip ties off. It's stuck on my foot. Get that out the way. I'm gonna need my thick scissors for this, but I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. All right, I'm back. Got the scissors. All right, scissors does the job. Let's take this off. We got the bicycle tire off. Ooh, it comes with keys. There's keys hanging down here. If I can find the thingy. That's that. Let's flip this up. Flip this over, I guess. That's the handlebar. This is a lot to unpack for expensive as this is. Ooh. That's the handlebar. And goes to the keys. Let's unbox this like we're unboxing it for Christmas. Be gentle with this, light. So much. I appreciate how careful they were with this bike and their delivery. Ooh, this is a lot to clean up. Whew. I almost tripped on that. This is scissors. Let's get this standing. trying to fix, not fix, but put together